Dify versus Typebot, Best AI Automation Bot 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the best AI automation bot between Dify and Typebot in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Dify and Typebot are both AI automation tools, but they serve different purposes. Over here, Dify is an open source, low code platform that helps in building generative AI applications. After that, it offers flexible LLM integration, allowing users to switch between different large language models. Then, it also provides robust orchestration capabilities with a drag and drop interface, making AI workflows easy to manage. After that, enterprise grade features like secure data pipelines and on premises solutions make it a reliable choice for businesses. Now, let's talk about Typebot. Over here, Typebot is a no-code chatbot platform that helps in building interactive chatbots and surveys. After that, it allows users to create chatbots without coding, making it ideal for non-developers. Then, it also supports AI tool integrations, including Dify to enhance chatbot capabilities. Now, let's look at how Dify and Typebot work together. Over here, Typebot integrates with Dify, allowing users to build chatbots with advanced AI capabilities. After that, this means you can use Dify's AI features inside Typebot to make chatbots more intelligent and responsive. Now, which one should you choose? Over here, choose Dify if you need a complete AI automation solution with advanced features. After that, go with Typebot if you want to create chatbots and surveys with an easy to use interface. So that's how you can decide between Dify and Typebot for AI automation in 2025. That's all for this video.